2130 Schiller in Wilmette. This is a ground floor kitchen family room renovation along with a second floor master suite and master bath renovation. There's landscapers in the back running equipment, so I'm going to try to do that portion of the walkthrough later. This is the dining room, and we have a bathroom right above us here, and the plumbing goes here, and then it goes down. The kitchen is on the other side of that wall, and the homeowner is going to change the layout of the kitchen where that door is now going to be tight along this column. This is a structural support for the house, and we're going to have the blueprints from the builder, which are going to show us the configuration of the joists of the framing. We have basement access here, which is a full finished basement, and we'd like to open up this wall here as much as possible because this entire area is going to become a square island that's going to be opened up into the family room, 72 inches by 72 inches, which will start 1 foot past the refrigerator and go 6 feet this way and 6 feet out. Because I think we have another load-bearing system here, we might end up dropping the entire ceiling, maybe that 10 inches above the island, and then putting recessed lights into that ceiling. The theme or the concept is going to be a contemporary look. So again, all of this is going to be opened up, and the island is going to project into this space. So, probably going to move the island over a little bit. Right about there. So we're going to have to cannibalize a little bit of this family room in order to achieve what we want. And I think that we're not going to be able to get away from a little bit of soffit here. So I'd like to continue that lowered ceiling into the kitchen above the island. This bar is going to, in essence, get turned around. We are still going to have this project out off of this exterior wall. This is going to be removed. We're going to have cabinets that are going to be glass on each side with glass shelving for their stemware, and there is going to be, all of this is going to be open. There's going to be a wine cooler here and then an ice maker, so when they entertain, they get to have the drinks on the bar. They're going to get their stemware and they're going to get their ice here. We're going to go outside, and I'm going to show you this three-sided bay that we have is going to get squared out. We're going to have to do a little bit of a foundation, and it's going to go 2 stories. This is right above us where the bathtub is, where the jacuzzi is, and this also is going to get squared out, giving us a much more functional space. The layout is going to have windows in this location. The kitchen sink is going to be there. The dishwasher is going to be there. We're going to have a little bit of countertop space, a 72-inch Wolf. This door obviously is going to go away. We're going to have proper venting, and it's going to go out of the house. The door to the dining room is going to start on that grout joint, and it's going to go over 36 inches here. So here is going to be the walkway into the dining room. We're going to have a little bit of countertop space there, a small sink with a garbage disposal unit, and then the refrigerator, which is going to be a Sub-Zero, is going to go here. And then we're going to have a microwave built in with a two garbage cans side by side right here. fireplace mantle will be saved and will be resold by the homeowner, and we need to bring this room, tie it into whatever decor we choose for the kitchen, and more than likely it's going to be a contemporary look. This door will remain, and we're going to try to make this column, which is load bearing, as small as possible. So maybe a foot to 16 inches there, and then a foot to 16 inches here, so we don't have to do too much structural work while still opening up that floor plan. Upstairs, the footprint of the master suite is pretty much going to stay the same. The fireplace will remain. And this door will stay here. We will be redoing the floor. And these are the areas that are going to be squared out, here and here. We don't have a clear concept on how this is exactly going to work. So we're still going to be trying to design something that works better. That skylight in the middle of the space will stay, and we want to make sure that we don't shift the layout too much. This is 25 inches, and this may stay as a linen closet. Currently, the commode is here behind a pocket door, and we have a small shower. The concept will be to have the shower start here along this wall. We have some room here that we could try to use for the commode and for privacy, but we still have to have his and her vanities and a makeup station as desired. So if this gets squared out, perhaps we can try to fit them in here. The homeowner is okay with these 3 windows becoming smaller hoppers. They don't have to be large casements. This closet is to remain. This bathroom will get completely remodeled. Instead of a bathtub, we're going to have a shower base, and we're going to have an updated shower package. The toilet will remain in the same location, and the vanity will be updated with a new mirror and a new light fixture. Floor and walls will be new. In this third bathroom, there is going to be a large shift in layout. It's a relatively large bathroom with a wall for privacy between the vanities and the bathing area. These windows are new and will stay. The concept is to put the door in the middle. The door will open up, it'll be a right hand. The double vanity will be on this wall. The toilet will get moved to right here with a half wall for privacy. And then the shower will go here. This door obviously is going to go away, obviously. We need to try to engineer around this laundry chute because the door comes out right here. So maybe moving it over, shifting it. Once we open it up, we'll see how much room we have there. There is an outdoor landscaping portion of this renovation, which needs to be included on this set of drawings. In fact, when we're doing this, I'd like to see a way for us. This slopes pretty drastically, and they keep their garbage cans here, so it's not a good walkway. So either we incorporate the garbage somewhere else that's convenient, because obviously they have to take it out all the way to the curb. But if we can maybe square this off with a small retaining wall to make a better walking path here, that would be good. We're going to try to save as many of these larger shrubs and trees. Their landscaper has confirmed that he can move them. So this is the back of the house where the master bath is here. The second bedroom is here. That's the window for the little bathroom that's getting renovated. This is the dining room. The sun isn't cooperating too much, and in the shade we don't see too much of the house. These trees are to remain, and we are to create a fire pit in this area here. Currently we have a dedicated gas line to a grill, which we can see there. That is also going to get moved over here. This fire pit can be sunken. If we do that, we're going to have to put a floor drain in, obviously, and they want some type of stone or pavers coming out this far. This is the master bath, and that's where the jacuzzi is. This is where the kitchen sink will be, and I'd like to square this out. So take these walls and bring them out this way. We're going to need a new foundation, and we're going to need a new roof. Also, we have a pretty dramatic elevation change between the living room, which is going to be the only access outside now because this door goes away. So we're probably going to have a deck come out, and then it's going to step down here into the fire pit and cooking area. And this will be shown better on the survey in terms of dimension. But we will be renovating this entire outdoor area as part of this renovation. So we're going to need gas, and we're going to need floor drains out here. The customer is okay with having concrete. I think pavers and maybe slate or some type of stone will have a better look. So these windows here are going to be squared out now.